surviving a lightning strike.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This might be the worst way to end a round of golf.
Oh, it's raps. Okay, all right. He put the phone down ASAP. No Rocky. So help me if even one Doritos falls off that plate.
For their sake, I hope it doesn't start raining.
So I've left a can of Pepsi in my fridge at uni and I've come back and it's like exploded, so I'm going to open it and see what happens. I feel like the best place to open it is in the shower, just in case anything happens. So it did explode.
Really?
What's your situation?
I can't get this leg.
Oh. Come on, you got it. Oh, no, he don't got it.
These sounds that can be heard in the lake happen naturally when there is a massive shift in temperature causing the ice's pressure to increase.
I don't know what you just said. But hey.
My girlfriend just got her eyes dilated and she was trying to tell her boss she can't see her screen, so this is her attempt to type. After out melting world, it would be possible for me to take the day greater than symbol. I am free Ori.
These cops don't have the patience to deal with these slow walkers.
Your dog has more situational awareness than you right now. The dog has more situational awareness.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Here, go get the ball. Here, get the ball.
Oh!
If these are the spider webs, then where is the spider?
-4 degrees outside, and the spider webs on my porch have all frozen. I have never seen this before.
Because many of Hamburg's attractions are located along the river, an entrepreneur created an amphibious bus that can take tourists on a tour by both road and water.
Oh, hell no. Wow. Get him in the NBA. Get him in the NBA right now. Get all his details. We're signing him up to the NBA.
That's saran wrap. That's not the rice.
I've seen enough.
There's no way. No, bro. That's saran, bro. You're drunk. That's the rice. This is. Yo, is this not saran wrap?
Wait, is this saran wrap?
Yeah.
Holy. Oh, you're drunk.
See, now he's gonna. When he goes to take a shit, bro, he's gonna just
Found this video that shows off how certain traffic lights work.
You see, this is what not to do at a red light. You see, his truck is pulled too far forward and he is missing the zone. So without that zone actually picking him up, he will not get a call on this controller, which will then give him a green light. Luckily for him, he has a vehicle behind him sitting inside of the zone, which is allowing him to get a green light and he can clear through this intersection.
That's gotta be like top 5 experiences right there.
Hey, it's 29:52. I got that.
Their little sister was
want some change?
Graduating from university, so they showed up to support her.
That's my sister!
I opened my door. You guys are never gonna believe this, but my ducks are in a row. My ducks in a row.
Somehow, I never get bored watching videos of the Northern Lights. This guy
this is a crazy ass side quest to go on.
decided to take the quick way down when climbing this mountain in Norway.
Like, I don't know. Like, some people were just destined. They were just destined to be squirrels. Like, is it just me?
Yeah, buddy. Nice.
They chose the wrong opponents.
It's like 10 Samoans versus like 50 regular people. Oh my god, they actually...
This would be the last time I'd ever go in the water.
Oh, into the pool. Yep. Minus $1,500 something dollars.
Oh my god, you don't blow it out, are you insane?
Is this what flow state looks like?
Yeah, sorry, in a drink?
Arrepiéntete, hijo del diablo! What happens when an unstoppable force meets a movable object.
Let's go. Come here. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Over, over. No way.
I mean, he made it through. Like...
Why do I feel like this is a daily occurrence?
Work out. Ah! No! Coming! Not for the kids! Coming!
Yep.
Get over here.
Oh, GG's. Yep, yep. He's turning.
She was trying to take a cool...
See, he missed out on adding a fart effect on there. Like, that was the easiest opportunity to add a fart
video,
effect.
but accidentally dropped her phone in the bush, so her dog went in and found it for her.
Yeah.
Can I get $20 on PumpIt?
$20?
Yes.
$1.
Oh, my bad.
No problem.
That's gotta be illegal.
Eh?
She wasn't taking prisoners.
That's gotta be illegal.
Basically, we're both gonna blow on different ends of the pool noodle and see who gets the water in their mouth.
I put this stick in
You got me.
here because my plant was leaning and I thought it would help, you know, reinforce the structure. This grew a lasso. It grew a lasso.
C'est bien, mon loup. Hey, uncle. Uncle. Yoo-hoo!
What the fuck? Like, how is the dog just so calm here? Light work, no reaction. Yeah.
This guy was camping at a festival and somehow lost his tent.
So I found my tent. There it is. Oh. Alright. That's just what you want, really. All my stuff's flying about.
And then the announcer is just making fun of it in the background. Eh? Oh, hell no. Hell no. I would start. Word. Like, what the fuck? Oh, hell no.
I think the little guy had fun at the pool.
Hey, you gonna ride with me? You can still ride with me? Look up above. Hey, Eli.
Stay with me. Stay with me. Come on, bro. Wake up.
Eli.
Eli, wake up. Wake up, Eli. Wake up.
This zookeeper was coming to give this ostrich her dinner, and she couldn't contain her excitement.
Hey, hey, hey. You got too much dip on your chip, bro. Chip.
Lightning McQueen trying to get to the finish line. Damn!
This is a jet shark, which is able to travel underwater at high speeds.
Y'all thinking what I'm thinking? I might be the next Mission Impossible. It might be the next James Bond.
And watch out next time y'all see us.
He ran into y'all?
He ran my baby over.
Oh,
no.
He tried to flee the scene. He tried to flee the scene.
Oh.
What's up with him? Nah, don't run. Don't hide. Why you trying to hide?
He just hit a hit and dash, bro. Hit and dash. Fuck a hit and run. Oh, you're coming with me.
The sea organ in Croatia turns the ocean's waves into music.
Oh! I've seen enough. I've seen enough. Get him. Word.
She surprised her parents by revealing to them
World
that
Cup.
she got into medical school.
Aren't I pretty?
Yes.
Always. Aren't I going to be a pretty doctor?
Yeah, you're gonna be
Always.
beautiful doctor.
Go Blazers.
Yeah.
Yes.
You got in UAB?
Yeah.
Just open it.
What?
Kidding me?
This person helped a jellyfish get back to the water, and it looked like they were running away.
Go towards the water. Go.
This is how you get the attention of 200 Japanese children.
Chill, bro. Nah, that made it worldwide. That joke made it to the Chinese. Chill. Yeah.
This might be the coolest backpack ever.
Okay. All right.
This is Europe's deepest indoor diving
Wow.
facility where scuba divers and free divers can hone their skills.
Oh hell no! I mean, it looks cool. It looks cool, but how you gonna get back up, bruh? Oh hell no! No, that's gotta be AI. That's definitely gotta be AI. No kids.
I was just walking in my pole barn, and I see a pile of bird... multiple. So I think, oh, this had to come from up above. There is a freaking peacock in the trusses of my pole barn.
All that work to find the holes just to do this.
And I think it's, I don't know. Free her.
Dear Brad, happy birthday to you.
Don't, please don't. you just had to fuck it up, bro. You just had to fuck it up, bro.
This kid has discovered an amazing laundry hack.
Show him again. You simply put the basket in upside down, spin the drum, and collect it all out. And what do you say, buddy?
He's gonna be the next Einstein. I'm calling it right here. He's gonna be the next Einstein. I never even thought of that. Okay. Alright. I mean, they do this. They already do this in wrestling. So.
Guys, I'm serious.
That was crazy, though.
Serious when I say no AK-47s, no axes, no spears and lollipops. And no nothing. If you just dare bring nothing, you're gonna see what happens.
Bro, one wrong move, man.
These guys use lasers to help restore old pieces of furniture by removing old paint, rust, and varnish.
Wow.
All she
What did I
wanted
do?
was
Why are you pointing fingers
nice
at me?
video of her dress.
What did I do?
Her husband told her that he found an awesome deal on Facebook Marketplace.
This thing is luxury.
That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Later. Like and subscribe.